Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting and simple question from the chapter sets. Question is based on finding difference of two sets. Here question is, let V be a set having elements A, E, I, O, U and B is a set with elements A, I, K, U. Then find V minus B and B minus V. Second part of this question is also exactly similar. Here two sets A and B are given. We have to find A minus B and B minus A. So let us see these questions. Very interesting and simple questions. First, here set V is given having elements A, E, I, O, U and set B is given with elements A, I, K and U. Okay, so how to find V minus B? How to get difference of these two sets? For sake of convenience, let us write these two sets completely here. So set V is A, E, I, O, U minus set B having elements A, I, K and U. So difference of two sets we can get it by omitting, by deleting, by removing these elements of set B from elements of set V. Just we have to remove these elements from this set, we will get the result. So A is here, this will be removed. I is in both the sets, so I will be removed, and U in both the sets, so U will be removed. Means here we have to remove A, I and U. Why? Because A, I and U are members, are elements of the set B, which has to be subtracted from given set V. Okay, so it doesn't matter that there are some more elements here which is not available in set V. As for example, K is here, but K is not in set V. So no problem, it doesn't matter. Okay, so V minus B will be a set we will get by removing common elements from two sets. A, I, U are common, they will be removed from here, and remaining elements will be here E and O. Okay, this is the answer. Very simple. Similarly, here we have got V minus B. We have to find B minus V also. B minus V also. So let us write the set. B is having elements A, I, K, U minus V. V is having elements A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Correct? So common elements will be removed from set B. So A available in both the sets, I is also available and U is available in both the sets. So A, I, U will be removed. Common elements will be removed from set B. So after removing these three elements, the only element which will remain here will element K. So we'll write K here. This is the answer. Correct? Very simple. Now let us see second part. We have to find A minus B and B minus A. First we will find A minus B. So set A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 minus set B. Set B is having elements 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and this is equal to a set which we will get by removing common elements from this set A. So you see which elements are common. Element 2 is common, element 4 is common, and element 6 is common. So these three elements 2, 4 and 6 will be removed from this A, and remaining elements will be 1, 3, 5. even numbers are being removed, 2, 4, 6, and remaining numbers are only odd numbers here, 1, 3 and 5. It doesn't matter that 8 is here which is not available, it will not affect our this process. So this set will consist of 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. This is the set A minus B. Now we can get B minus A also. So first of all we will write set B. Set B is having elements 2, 4, 6 and 8 minus set A. Set A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this case, again we will see, we will observe, we will check, we will find common elements in both the sets, and common element will be removed from this set B. The remaining element will be available in the answer. So let us see here, 2 common element, 4 common element and 6 common element. Okay. So 2, 4 and 6 will be removed from this set. So only element which will remain here will be 8. 8 is not here, so it will not be removed, it will not be subtracted, it will remain here as it is. So this is a set having elements 8 only. So this is the answer for the set B minus A. So in this way we can do these problems very easily, and we have to see some more problems, very interesting problem we will see in other videos and that we are going to prepare now. So students, please keep in touch with my videos and enjoy learning mathematics and have a good command over these topics. And I will request you to share my videos and give your support and give your like, so that we could enjoy learning mathematics. Thank you very much.